Charlie, let's play a new game. Like a really new game, okay? What do we want to play? Oh look, it's that chicken again. Oh, hello everybody. My name is Bob, and I like turkeys. Gobble gobble. Now I must be a squeak toy, and I'm gonna go over to that vicious dog, and hopefully I don't get attacked by it. Let's go. Oh my god, he looks angry. I hope I don't get attacked. Now kids, this is called self-defense. Watch and learn, shall we? Yeah! Yeah! Charlie, die! Doggy! Die! 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 Yeah! 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 No! He's killing me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Dead.